How's it going, everyone? This is gonna be my first vlog, and right now I'm just packing for my trip to St. Catharines, and I will catch up with you guys again, and hopefully this is a good time, and hopefully I see some of you there. Bye.
Just another summer day. I'm driving down the road just thinking to
How's it going, everyone? So I'm at the airport now, and it's a little busy. It's not really that busy, but it's kind of busy. So my flight got delayed and to Minneapolis, so that's things a little bit. But I will check back with you guys in later. Bye. So this is Hewitt. I am at my cousin Cindy's place, staying for the weekend during St. Catharines, and these are all my cousins. And so this is Helena, and just tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Helena and I like to play basketball.
Okay, and who is this?
Aria.
Okay, how old are you, Aria?
I'm 8 years old, but practically I'm gonna have to be 9 now.
Okay. Alright, and this. Who is this?
Is Malia.
Okay, she's stupid. But yep. Thank these guys for allowing me to stay here for the weekend. Bye, say bye. Hey everyone, so unfortunately I wasn't able to get the rest of the night because my phone was getting really low on battery and I did not have my charger. But I just want to give a big shout out to the Katies at St. Catharines, and I had such a great time meeting you all and meeting everybody that was there. And hopefully I'll be able to do more of these, but thanks again so much for everything that you guys always do for me, and you guys have a good day. Bye.
I'm on top of the world.